Okay, so this is my first video on this channel, and basically, as you probably saw in the intro, I am on my way to becoming a mechanical engineer. Uh, and I know this is more electrical and stuff like that, but it all goes hand in hand, and I honestly want to gain as much engineering knowledge as I possibly can, which means I gotta start with this. So this and the next few videos are going to be a lot of me sitting down, taking notes, running through things, basically explaining stuff to you guys about um like how he, the person that I'm watching the videos of, his name's Paul, um how he's teaching me and like what he's telling me. I'm basically going to be relaying back to you guys. You can go watch his videos if you want, because I know he'll be a lot more helpful, but this is helping me retain more knowledge if I can like share it and stuff like that. So yeah, let's jump right into the video after I set everything up. Yo. Oh, it's a little heart. That's cute. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can't see it, but it's a little heart. It's so cute. Okay. Dude, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Yes, it worked. Let's go. Hold on. I just finished first thing, constant LED. Let's go. I know it's so simple. I just Okay, so they're like teaching me how to like turn the simple LED on and off and then like blink it and stuff like that. Okay, so now it's digital 13 by semicolon. Okay. If I download this, it should blink. Okay, it's not working. Oh, wait, I see. I messed up. I didn't do it in all uppercase, so let me try. Let me try this again. Okay, it is not blinking. It's just a solid high. So now he's teaching us. Actually, give me 1 second. Okay, so I added the code right down here. I don't know how well the video is going to be able to see it. I can actually probably do this. Let's see. Yeah, you can actually. Okay, you can actually read it. It's just covering me now, or part of me. So, oh my god, this is gonna be so cool. I love this. Um, so now you actually get to see me type and things like that. And what I'm doing, because I know I'm not talking a lot while I'm watching the video. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's milliseconds, not. Okay. Okay. Alright, so 1,000 milliseconds equals a second. I know that. Let's see, multiply by 1,000. Yeah, okay. So for the delay, it's asking for the millisecond amount. Semicolons. Okay, so it and almost every line ends with a semicolon. Almost. I don't know what doesn't. Uploading. Yo, it's actually blinking. Hold on, can you see that? I don't know if you can see. Yeah, see the orange light? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna change it. Next time, let's change it to 1,000. Okay, next time, let's change it to 50 milliseconds. So right now it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So upload this. Oh my god. Look at this. You can like barely see it, how fast it's blinking. Dude. I'm so excited about this. Okay. So I'm talking to specific pins or like a specific output. They each have like a number or a name or whatever it is. Then I have to use pin mode. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, so he's doing more ads and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna try to do 2 or 3 videos today and then play with whatever I learn and stuff like that. Yeah, honestly, I think so. I think I should save or file, save as, and then I think I'm gonna resave it as the first program. Save. Okay. So I'm not gonna do his homework right now. And I think I'm gonna leave a link in all of the videos that I'm gonna make to help to their thing or whatever. So honestly, I will be right back. Alright, I figured that out. Now we're going to lesson 2 of how to build circuits with a breadboard, which means that's out of camera. This is finally coming in handy. Alright. I am trying to like learn this because this is like summer project that I'm doing. So I do apologize to this dude for not doing his homework that he asked for. I just really want to learn as much as I can. And then I'm gonna practice both on and off camera at the end of the video of like the 3 lessons. Okay, so we're messing with LEDs. Yep. Yep. Okay, so the long lead needs to go towards this. It won't work. Okay, so it looks like we have 5 of each color. Okay. It's a resistor, right? A resistor, yes. Okay, I was right. Let's go. All right. Okay. I'm so excited to learn what like all of these are, or all these things do. Because I'm literally starting from scratch on knowledge. I mean, I took an engineering class when I was in high school, which is literally like 3 years ago. I was a sophomore in high school, and that was my first engineering class, and we did Arduino board stuff, but I wasn't paying attention because yeah. Okay. This. Okay. This is perfect. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. Got an engineering notebook type thing. That's what I'm gonna use to like input all the equations, stuff that I gotta learn, some extra notes that aren't gonna be on my phone. But this way I can like actually write it out and see for myself. So I was gone for a little bit because I had to like make food, but I don't know. Okay, so in order to not burn LED or the actual Arduino, he's saying he's saying that it can't be more than 8 milliamps. Is that what he called it? Milliamps? Yeah, okay, milliamps. Um, so the current needs to equal. So here, let's draw this out. Let's do this. Do a plus and a minus. So this side is pin 13. We're going to this. So that's the LED. So a triangle with a line at the tip equals LED symbol. So now we're back here. Capital A for milliamps. Okay, Ohm's law. So Ohm's law. So voltage across component is equal to current I times the resistor. Okay, so R equals V equals voltage. So it was, what was it? Or how do you spell it? Ohm's law. Capital OHM apostrophe S law. Okay. So pin 13 generates 5 volts, 5V. So that means 5 Okay, so you don't plug 8 for the current. Okay, so so for the milliamps, it's the same thing as milliseconds. 1,000 of the milliamps equals 1 regular amp. We can't input the 8 into the regular current. We have to do it in amps. So we're doing 8 over 1,000 equals the current to help change it into the amp amount. So okay. MA milliamps equals 1,000 A or amp. Okay. Yeah. So 8A. Oh, 8, okay. Times R. We're trying to find resistance here. Okay, so 5 divided by 0.008. Kind of make it. I need a calculator because I suck at dividing decimals. 5 divided by 0.008. 625. So R equals 625. Okay, and that's an omega symbol. It's ohms. Okay, so that symbol equals ohms. Okay. Okay, so we have Arduino. We're using a red LED, as he just said. Blues for special occasion, according to him. Okay. So that's the, like, one long leg up top and then the shorter leg on the bottom. Okay, so I have my red LED. Now we need a resistor. So figured this, but he's saying use the larger one, not the smaller one, because it could, if you use the smaller one, it might still allow like too much current to come through and might blow out your Arduino board or the LED or even the resistor. Okay, these are all back in the package. We pulled off the resistor. I have a magnetic pen. I have to make sure it doesn't like set it off. All right. Now we're actually building the secret circuit. Okay, he wants a black wire out of the kit. So he's asking for a red and black wire, and that means I might have to take this zip tie off, which really sucks because that means I will have wires all over the place. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I hate that because that means I'm going to have a mess. I also hate being this close to wires with sharp objects. All right. Well, that's a mess. And now I have to find that resistor because I just realized I cut it over. Okay, right there. Okay. So, black wire and red wire. I'll be right back. I need to go get... I'm going to go grab a couple bags because this is... If I don't, this is going to be a big mess. Alright, we're back. Bag of wires. And now we're going to continue the video. Okay, so... We're plugging the red one into pin 13. And the black one's in the white ground right next to it. This is when this part comes in. So he has it like this. Well, that's really trippy. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so he's showing a photo. Obviously, this video is going to be linked. So if you or this playlist of videos is going to be linked in the video. But he's showing us that. So this long, like, here, I'm gonna get close. This long strip in the middle, holes on either side. Those are like obviously between the column. They're not connected. Holes along the rows are apparently not connected. He says he's in the way. It's hard to like see what he's meaning. So, okay, I got it. So holes going this way are not connected, but going this way in the column are connected. So like you see how there's the little number 45, 40, 50, yada yada. Um, Going along those numbers, that's a column. The columns don't connect jumping over this middle gap, and rows do not connect. And then it looks like what's highlighted is the like plus and the minus ones on either side are why am I behind it? Are connected. I think that's what he's talking about. Again, watch this. I'm just learning and I thought this would be fun to put on YouTube. Okay, yeah. So I was right. All the holes on the top are connected. Second row is connected. Okay, so these are like 4 special rows, the 2 on either side. Okay. Okay. So he's talking about bringing in the voltage, so the red wire. So he's putting the long way in 53 on the top, and 53B. So okay, then resistor. Yo. Yo. Oh wait, and now it's blinking. Okay, I'm pausing him real quick. So now it's blinking the same code that we have. Oh, let me pull it up again. That we have here. It's blinking the exact code because it's the pin mode 13 output. So whatever I put in the code for 13 is what it's gonna give me. So now it's saying I need to, or now he's saying I need to write SOS. So, I personally don't know Morse code. This might be easier for you guys if you do. S OS Morse code. 3 dots, 3 dashes, 3 dots. Okay, so it's 3 quick blinks, 3 long blinks, and then 3 quick blinks. So now we're gonna set this up. So 3 quick blinks. We're gonna set this to 50. No, we're gonna set this to 100. We're gonna set this to 100. We're then going to copy this again. Digital write from 13. We're going to go high, close parentheses, semicolon, delay 100, semicolon. Actually, I should be able to just, can I just copy this? Control C, Control V. I can just copy it. Okay, so high, low, high, low. Okay, now we're going to do this. Control C, and Control V this. Okay. So that should be 3 quick blinks. So we're going to upload that, see how it goes. It's bright red right now. Uploading, done. Yeah, see, okay, now it's doing the quick blinks, as you can see. Oh my god, this is so cool. I love engineering so much. Okay. This is the one time, not one time, I am going to do the homework because I think this is really cool. So now we can do the same thing, Control V, except now we can set these to 1,000 for long, and I can copy that, Control C, and then we're going to do Control V and do it again. And now we can go back up here. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Control C. Oh, go down here, Control V. All right, we're going to read this. How does this look? It's uploading. Done. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I know. Okay, so it has a problem. I'm going to actually set this delay to 1,000. I'm gonna upload this real quick. Okay. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I did it. All right, hold on. We're gonna wait till it resets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so look. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then it's off again, and then it restarts. That is so cool, dude. Oh my, I'm so excited about this. And he said, make sure you always save your projects. So I'm going to file, save as. We're going to do second project. Sorry, give me a second. I'm going to fix this. Okay, I figured it out. It's because I technically copied the folder into a different area, so I was trying to open it, but it was only giving what I had originally copied. But that makes sense. That makes sense now. Okay. Okay, it's about people being confused. Okay, it's about the math of like choosing the correct resistor. Okay, so this one's just him going over like all the math and basically telling people why they're wrong. I'm thinking he's wrong. I love that. That's amazing. Good job for you, dude. Um, tell those kids who think they know better than the professionals. All right. Lesson number 3: what? Blanket LED with your Arduino. Is that not what I'm already doing? As it's asking for help. Okay. Okay, so he has it hooked up. He did it smarter than I did. I did it really compact. Or I could probably just. There we go. That's better. Oh, okay. Let's see. So slashes, or the 2 slashes, like here, it's just little comments that you can leave for yourself. Heck. Okay. Okay, so that was that. Okay, the third lesson was, like he said, was just him going over everything. I'm gonna find these videos on, or this playlist on YouTube, or like this guy's channel or whatever, and then I'm going to link it into the description. But yeah. Oh, here, let me get rid of the code. Honestly, that's kind of, I think that's gonna be it for today. On my end, I think I'm gonna, everything's saved already. I started this, and I know I finished on lesson 3. Here, let me actually, here, let's, process it. Next lesson starts at 4. Okay, next lesson starts at 4. Okay, ignore my horrible handwriting. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I'm honestly really happy with like with everything. I'm gonna probably have to go back and watch some of this video and some of his to get back some of the stuff. But this is what I'm starting my project on for summer. And anybody who's in engineer or is like good with some of this stuff, I'd appreciate you like giving me pointers, suggesting things. I am a broke college student. I'm this is my summer between high school senior and college freshman, and I would really just love any tips or tricks or like places that you found sell decent parts for good things. Um, because I do want to take this and turn it into actual home projects. And yeah, that would be fantastic. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Go check out Paul's videos because he is actually, he knows what he's talking about, and I love that he has the team behind him to help him in case he makes any mistakes that he might not catch. And yeah, this has been really educational. I'll see you guys later.